Dealing with storm damage can be overwhelming, but at Artisan Building and Remodeling, we're here to make the insurance process as seamless as possible. Our goal is to ensure you feel supported and confident every step of the way. Our experienced team works closely with you from the very beginning. We start by conducting a thorough inspection to assess the damage, identifying not just the obvious issues, but also any underlying problems that may have been caused by the storm. We document every detail meticulously, capturing high-quality photos and detailed notes. This comprehensive assessment is crucial for an accurate insurance claim, helping to ensure that no aspect of the damage is overlooked. Next, we assist you in filing your insurance claim. Our team has extensive experience working with various insurance companies, and we know exactly what they need to process your claim efficiently. We guide you through the paperwork, clarifying any confusing terminology and ensuring all required information is accurately submitted. We advocate on your behalf, communicating directly with your insurance adjuster to ensure all necessary repairs are covered. We understand the nuances of insurance policies and leverage our expertise to negotiate the best possible outcome for you. Throughout this process, we keep you informed with regular updates. You won't be left wondering about the status of your claim or the next steps. Our transparent communication ensures you are always in the loop. Once your claim is approved, we get to work right away. Our skilled craftsmen use only the highest quality materials to restore your home to its original condition. We coordinate all aspects of the repair work, minimizing disruption to your daily life and ensuring the project is completed on time and to the highest standards. At Artisan Building and Remodeling, we take pride in our workmanship and our commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand that your home is more than just a building. It's where you create memories and feel safe. That's why we handle the insurance process, so you can focus on what matters most, getting back to normal. Artisan Building and Remodeling, your trusted partner in navigating the insurance process and restoring your home. Contact us today to learn more about how we can assist you during this challenging time.